and welcome to Time with Lydia, the pharmacist. Today I'm going to share with you how to treat bunions. Bunions can be painful, they can cause a lot of frustration, and they can make finding the right daily footwear a battle. The good news is that there are ways to treat bunions at home, and today I'm going to share with you some of these simple home remedies that you can carry out to make you feel comfortable again. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere. First of all, let's find out what is a bunion. It is a bony bump that forms on the joint at the base of the big toe. It happens when some of the bones at the front part of the foot move out of their regular position. And this causes the big toe to move towards the smaller toes. It also forces the joint at the base of your big toe to stick out. Let's talk about some of the symptoms of a bunion, because I'm sure some people do have it, but they don't even know that they are suffering from this condition. When you develop a bunion, some of the symptoms that you would experience would include a bulging bump on the outside of the base of your big toe, a possible swelling, a change in color, or soreness around the big toe joint. You can also develop corns and calluses, and this forms typically where the big toe and the second toe rub against each other. There can be ongoing pain, and this pain comes and goes. Also hard skin on the sole of the foot, and also stiffness of the big toe, which can lead to difficulty in walking. What causes bunions? The cause of bunions is not always known, but you're more likely to develop a bunion when you wear shoes that do not fit properly. So anytime you're purchasing a shoe, make sure it's the correct size. That is, there is enough room for your toes. It's not too tight and it's not too loose. Because apart from the possibility that you would develop bunions, there is also the possibility that you would develop corns and calluses or even blisters when your shoes don't fit properly. Also, avoid shoes with high heels and pointed toes. Let's move on now to the treatment of bunions. The treatment will depend on how severe the bunion is. But today we are going to focus on some simple home remedies that you can carry out to make you feel comfortable. And our first home remedy is wear comfortable, roomy shoes. Allow enough space around your feet in your shoes. Don't wear very tight shoes. The second home remedy is to use bunion pads or cushions, and these are available to purchase in your local community pharmacy or your beauty shop. Also, you can purchase them online. These bunion cushions or pads can act as a buffer between your foot and your shoes and hence ease the pain. One other thing also that you can try are insoles or padded shoe inserts. These can help spread out pressure evenly when you move your feet. These are available to purchase from your local pharmacy as well, or even from your shoe shop. So next time you purchase a shoe, request for an insole or a padded shoe insert if you suffer from bunions. Padded shoe inserts or insoles can ease the symptoms and may slow the progression. Now, number 4 is the use of ice or ice packs. You can use ice on bunions after you've been on your feet for a long time or when they become inflamed. The coldness can help relieve soreness and swelling. The tip here is not to apply the ice directly to your skin, but first of all, wrap a towel round the ice and apply it to the bunion 15 to 20 minutes at a time. And do this as many times as you can within the day to reduce the pain and swelling. Also, if you're overweight, try to lose weight, as this can reduce the pressure on your feet. Also, you can take medications such as paracetamol and anti-inflammatories such as ibuprofen, naproxen, or diclofenac to help relieve the pain caused by bunions, and these are available to purchase from your local community pharmacy. But as always, make sure you speak to your pharmacist before you purchase any of these medications or before you take any of these medications. And make sure that when you purchase any of these medications, you read the patient information leaflet for more information about them before you take them. You might need a surgery when these simple home remedies are not helping, and a surgery would be recommended when the bunion is causing so much pain and is limiting your daily activities. A surgery might be done to remove swollen tissue from around the big toe joint. Sometimes also it is done to straighten the big toe by removing parts of the bone. It can also be done to realign. It can also be done to correct the irregular angle in the big toe joint.